Hello students, we will continue to solve some objective questions related to the theory of radiation. Your next question is Rayleigh Jeans Law. Rayleigh Jeans Law is E lambda divided by A lambda is equal to E lambda. E is equal to sigma T raised to power 4 minus T 0 power 4. E lambda D lambda is equal to K lambda raised to power minus 5 E raised to power minus A divided by lambda T into D lambda. E lambda D lambda is equal to 8 pi K T lambda raised to power minus 4 into D lambda. So the right answer for Rayleigh Jeans Law is E lambda D lambda 8 is equal to 8 pi kt divided by lambda raised to power 4 into D lambda. Planck's law is, again Planck's law says that the energy density associated with the wavelength range lambda to lambda plus D lambda. This is what you have to identify. Option number 1, E lambda D lambda is equal to 8 pi Hc divided by lambda raised to power 5 into D lambda divided by E raised to power Hc divided by lambda kt minus 1 is equal to sigma T raised to power 4 minus T 0 power 4. E lambda D lambda is equal to K lambda raised to power minus 5 E raised to power minus A divided by lambda T D lambda. Option 4, E lambda D lambda is equal to 8 pi kt lambda power minus 4 D lambda. The right answer is option 1, E lambda D lambda is equal to 8 pi Hc divided by lambda raised to power 5 into D lambda divided by E raised to power Hc by kt minus 1. Planck's law is based on quantization of energy of oscillators, classical theory of oscillators, fixed energy of oscillators, zero energy of oscillators. Planck's law is based on the quantization of energy of oscillators. Average energy of Planck's oscillator is h nu by 2, 3 h nu by 2, h nu divided by e raised to power h nu divided by kt minus 1. So the right answer is 4, h nu divided by e raised to power h nu divided by kt minus 1. Next question is number of modes in frequency range nu to nu plus d nu is h nu by 2, 8 pi nu square d nu divided by c cube, h nu divided by e raised to power h nu divided by kt minus 1. The right answer is option C, 8 pi nu square d nu divided by c cube. Ultraviolet catastrophe is related to, अल्ट्रावायलेट कैटास्ट्रॉफी किससे संबंधित है? वीन्स डिस्प्लेसमेंट लॉ से, वीन्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन लॉ से, रेले जीन्स लॉ से या प्लैंक्स लॉ से. सो अल्ट्रावायलेट कैटास्ट्रॉफी इज रिलेटेड टू रेले जीन्स लॉ. ऑप्शन सी इज द राइट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज रेले जीन्स लॉ वैलिडेट्स एक्सपेरिमेंटल ऑब्जर्वेशन ऑफ ब्लैक बॉडी रेडिएशन. Rayleigh Jeans Law validates experimental observation of black body radiation. Option 1, for shorter wavelength at high temperature, for shorter wavelength at low temperature, for longer wavelength at high temperature, for longer wavelength at low temperature. The right answer is option C, for longer wavelength at high temperature. Wien's law validates experimental observation of black body radiation for shorter wavelength at high temperature, for shorter wavelength at low temperature, for longer wavelength at high temperature, for longer wavelength at low temperature. Right answer is for shorter wavelength at low temperatures. Pressure exerted by radiation on surface is equal to, the क्वेश्चन है रेडिएशन किसी सरफेस पर कितना प्रेशर एक्सर्ट करता है? एनर्जी पर यूनिट टाइम के बराबर, एनर्जी डेंसिटी के बराबर, एनर्जी पर यूनिट एरिया या फिर एनर्जी पर यूनिट एरिया पर यूनिट टाइम के बराबर. तो द राइट आंसर इज एनर्जी डेंसिटी के बराबर. Pressure exerted by diffuse radiation on the surface is equal to energy per unit time, energy density, energy per unit area, energy density divided by 3. The right answer is energy density divided by 3. Next question is pressure exerted by diffuse radiation on perfectly reflecting surface is equal to energy per unit time, 2 times of energy density per divided by 3, energy per unit area, energy density per divided by 3. Right answer is 2 times of the energy density divided by 3. If temperature of a black body is raised to thrice, then emission power will be. यदि किसी ब्लैक बॉडी का टेम्परेचर 3 गुना कर दिया जाए तो उसकी एमिसिव पावर कितनी हो जाएगी? 3 टाइम्स हो जाएगी, 9 टाइम्स हो जाएगी, 27 टाइम्स हो जाएगी, 81 टाइम्स हो जाएगी। आपको ये सॉल्व करने के लिए आपको स्टीफन बोल्ट्जमैन लॉ यूज करना पड़ेगा, जो ये कहता है E is directly proportional to T raised to power 4। इसलिए आपका ऑप्शन नंबर 4 इज़ द राइट आंसर।